In this video, we're going to take a look at the gameplay loop that I have set up so far. Well, it's not actually the full gameplay loop we're going to take a look at. It's basically the introduction sequence. Let me just go ahead and start a new game. I'll name this guy AA, create a new game, and here we are. I'm in the intro scene, so we have a character. This is all placeholder right now. So we have a character that basically says, "Hey there, I heard you're into street racing. I wanted to know if you're up for a challenge. I understand if not. Most people wouldn't be able to handle the idea of losing a high-stakes race. There's a couple meetups tonight. If you're down, you can pick which one you want to attend. These are invite only, so don't go blabbing your mouth. There's a spot downtown where the younger crowd hangs, or you can meet the more established racers who race for pink slips by the coast. If you lose your car, that's it. Game over." So what do you say? Are you up for it? So my thought here is, initially I was thinking of having multiple characters to pick from in the beginning of the game, but I think what this is going to be is this is going to be a difficulty selection. So if you head for the coast, it's going to be the hard version of the game. Basically, if you lose, it's game over. Or you could go downtown, and if you go downtown, then you basically have the easy version of the game, which is just meant to be played through, and you get a story. And both of the experiences are going to be different, so there will be different races in each of them. That's basically my thought process so far. So let's go ahead and select Go Downtown. So when you select Go Downtown, you're going to be spawned downtown, and there's going to be some dialogue that aligns with that. So here we can see it says, so you decided to meet up with the hipsters downtown. Okay, they're meeting at the parking garage now. Head over there to find out what they have planned tonight. And then you could just drive to the parking garage. So the next step would probably be to clean this game up a little bit, add a mini map and a marker icon, and this is basically where you would be heading. This is the event, and that would be where some custom content gets loaded. This is all placeholder scene right now. So in the other scenario, let's go ahead and create another character. I'll go ahead and create a new game. This one will be AAA. And this time I will select the option Head for the Coast. And now I'm going to be spawned at the coast, and I'll have a different dialogue intro when the opening scene starts. So here we can see she says, "So you decided to roll with the big boys tonight? All right, let's see what you're made of then. The pre-races meetup is starting soon. Get to the coast and let's see what you're made of." So then basically you could drive wherever you want. But I set up another little event area right over here. And this would be the coast, obviously. You can't really see water because there's no water yet. And it's just really dark, but yeah, same deal. If you drive into the event, you get loaded into the event. So the next step would just be to probably add a mini-map system and make sure that you can see the event that you're going to on the mini-map. And then I have to incorporate the events in some way. So I basically are going to stay in the open world. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to transition into that scene. But yeah, that's where I'm at so far. I have an opening scene set up. All of the dialogue, character, UI, everything is still placeholder right now. So all of that is probably going to change. The starting points are probably going to change. I don't know how much is going to change, but a lot of it. Everything I'm doing is kind of just... I'm really freestyling this game. I know what style of game that I want to make, and I know what kinds of concepts I want in there, and basically that's what I'm I'm working on building all of those different systems and just putting in little pieces of the puzzle as I go. I guess you would say it's called broad strokes is what I'm doing. A little bit here, a little bit there, until I get everything just the way that I want. And then once I feel that it has all of the substance that it needs, then I'm going to start massaging all of that into a good place and just make it feel good. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you in one of the next videos.